Are you 100% sure your homeowner's insurance covers what you think it does? Stick around because at the end of this video, we're going to go over a common coverage mistake that catches a lot of homeowners off guard. To start off, let's go over the basics of homeowners insurance here in South Florida. In Florida, homeowners insurance isn't legally required, but if you have a mortgage, your lender will absolutely require it to protect their investment. Even if you own your home outright, having the right coverage is crucial to protect one of your biggest assets. Now, here's what you really need to know. Homeownership in Florida is typically made up of 3 different policies, and it's important to understand the role each one plays. The first type of insurance we're going to go over is your general homeowner's insurance policy. This is your standard policy and covers things like fire and smoke damage, theft and vandalism, certain types of water damage, and liability if someone gets hurt on your property. But this does not cover flood damage or hurricane-related wind damage in all cases. That's where the next 2 come in. The next one we're going to go over is flood insurance. Flooding in Florida is a real concern, even if you're not in a designated flood zone. Standard home insurance does not cover flood damage. This is a separate policy, typically backed by FEMA or a private insurer, and covers damage from rising water, storm surges, or heavy rainfall. If you're unsure whether you're in a flood-prone area, check flood maps and consult with your insurance provider. And remember, flood zones change, so even if you're not currently required to carry it, it might still be worth having. And lastly, windstorm or hurricane insurance. Windstorm coverage protects against hurricane-related damage, things like torn-off roofs, broken windows, and structural damage. In many cases, this is not automatically included in your standard policy and must be added as an endorsement or separate policy. Also, be aware, most windstorm policies have a separate hurricane deductible, which can be 2 to 10% of your home's value. That's a big number, so it's something you need to plan for. And another quick reminder, property taxes and insurance vary based on location. To estimate your property taxes in Broward County, go to bcpa.net and remember that each city has its own millage rate, so your final number may vary. Don't forget to factor this in when budgeting for your monthly costs. In summary, you're not fully covered in Florida unless you understand and carry these 3 policies: your general homeowner's insurance, flood insurance, and windstorm coverage. They work together to protect your home from the full range of risks that come with living in South Florida. So if you're unsure if you're truly covered with the policies we went over, feel free to give me a call.